I just found a custom fit and very durable car cover. Let me tell you a little more about it. The Tatatoo car cover comes in a compact case that's easy to store in your car or garage. It's very well made, not too thin, not too heavy, and because it has custom pockets for your mirrors, it's very easy to distinguish the front from the rear, so you don't waste time having to figure it out. As you can see, installation was quite simple. I started at the front of the car and just draped it over, fitting the vehicle like a sock. I made a few small adjustments, and once the mirrors slide into those side pockets, it really holds the car cover straight. Now what I can do is go around the car and hooking the car cover to each rim with the rubber-coated hooks. And in case you need to transport the car, there are additional straps which you will connect to one wheel, again with those rubber-coated hooks, and then you can extend them across the car to tie down this car cover. The material on the car cover is water-resistant, UV protective, and does a great job at keeping pollen, leaves, bird droppings, or even snow off of your car if you need to leave it outside. And if you do need to leave it outside, another feature I really appreciate are the reflective straps that are on the mirrors as well as the front and sides. So if it is in an area with traffic, it'll really stand out even at night. With a compartment to add your contact information, I think this is a great car cover. It fits my Mini perfectly, but they make sizes for all types of vehicles. Take a look at the description if you'd like to learn more.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.